Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. You are watching CSE Guide official YouTube channel. Today we discuss about those universities who's offering CSE scholarship, but you no need to pay application fee and no need to send hard copies in this university. And those users who want to watch this video in Urdu, link in the description. So check the link. So let's start. Today in this video we discuss about all those universities remaining in first round. I'll tell you I'll make a second round on those universities who's offering CSE scholarship, but you no need to pay application fee and no need to send hard copies as well. So type in Google CSE Guide official and click on the first link. After that you can see here's the detailed CSE scholarship admissions and all these universities who's offering scholarship. So but we focus on those universities who's offering scholarship, CSE scholarship, but you know no need to pay application fee and no need to send hard copies. So Jangna University, the first one is the Jangna University CSE scholarship. Two way to find these university. First you find here, come here and see open the CSE scholarship admissions category, and the second one is means if you want to get admission, means if you want to get information about Jangna University, so copy this name, or any university, any of the university which you want to get admission, info about that university. So type in Google Jangna University CSE scholarship 2021 CSE Guide official. So click on this link, type this in Google, and you can see here's the detail. Jangna University, this is for 2021 2020 and this is for 2021. Okay, open this link and go to the post. So don't worry about it. And every university which you want to get information about that, so you can do like this. So Jangna University have just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 30th of April 2021 is the last. Maybe this university have 400 RMB application fee last year, but this year they're not demanding any fee. Okay, and you need to pay application fee. No need to pay application fee, and these are the majors which they offer scholarships for these majors. So CSE, first you fill CSE online application form. After that you need to fill university online application form as well. Okay, and the next one is China University of Geosciences Wuhan. One is China University of Geosciences Beijing, and the other one is China University of Geosciences Wuhan. Okay, and for this university fully funded scholarship. Okay, just online apply. 15th of March 2021 is the last date, and you need to fill CSE online application form. This is enough because students select last year. I asked from him, he says they fill he fill just online apply, and other students also fill just online apply, CSE online apply, no need to fill university online application portal, and these are the required documents. Okay, and the next one, Qingdao University, Chengdu University, you can see, you can pronounce it as well. So just online apply, no need to send hard copies. April 1 is 2021 is the last date. Click here to apply on your CSE portal, and this is just online apply on CSE portal is enough. Okay, either you can also check this official advertisement as well. Okay, now the next one, Dalian Medical University have this is offering scholarship for master and PhD, and just online apply. 15th of April 2021 is the last date. You need to fill CSE online application form and university online application form, and wait for the result and check your status daily. On Xiamen University, this university have just online apply. 15th of April 2021 is the last date, and you can see no application fee, and just fill CSE online application form, and you must fill university online application form as well. So the post was made I think before February 1st, so you can see no the portal is working. Okay, so these are the majors. Check your majors in this list. Okay, and the next one, Shandong Normal University, just online apply. March 31st 2021 is the last date, and just online apply. CSE just fill CSE online application form, and then you need to fill university online application portal. The Wuhan University Chinese government scholarship, Wuhan University, just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 31st of March 2021 is the last date. First fill CSE online application form, and then university online application form. These are the required documents. And now came forward to the Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication. Chongqing University, just simple Chongqing University. Still admission not started in Chongqing University, so wait for the Chongqing University. This is Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication, CQUPT. I already discussed in the last video, I think. So again in this video I'll discuss. So 30th of April 2021 is the last date. CSE form, fill CSE form and university online application portal. So Chongqing University, ZZU, Zhengzhou University, you can pronounce it as well. So just online apply, no need to send hard copies. 15th of April 2021 is the last date, and we just first fill CSE online application form, and then fill CSE ZZU online application form. When you fill ZZ online application form, in the beginning you can see you must see the two options, the first one is Chinese government scholarship general recruitment program, and the other one is Chinese government scholarship independent recruitment program, and the students are confused which one we select. So any of them you can choose. So both are for CSE B category. So if you choose independent recruitment program, it's also good, and it's for general recruitment program, it's also good, because I select general recruitment program and my friends select independent recruitment program. So that's why it's not mandatory. So you can choose any of them. Southeast University, good, best university, and just online apply, no need to send hard copies. March 30 2021 is the last date, and no need to send hard copies. First you fill CSE online application form, and then you need to fill CSE university online application form. Last year this university demanding 400 RMB application fee, but this year no fee. Okay, Hozhong Agriculture University of Science, Hozhong University, Hozhong Agriculture University, Hozhong Agriculture University, in other words. Okay, just online apply. March 31 2021 is the last date. First fill CSE online application form, and then university online application form. Okay, and then other one, Tianjin University Silk Road Scholarship. This is for bachelor students only, and March 31 is the last date. Silk Road is for bachelor, but CSE is for master as well, master and PhD both. So how to apply for this scholarship? First you fill CSE online application form, and then you fill university online application form. Also scholarship for young talent 2021 and 20. This is I think the most high paid scholarship in China for PhD candidates. 7,000, 6,000 to 7,000 RMB. This is for master and PhD. USDC and UCAS offering. These are the two institutes which offering scholarships. Okay, the main authority is ANSU. Organization is on ANSU. So you can apply this, no fee, no application fee, and no need to send hard copies. 31st of March 2021 is the last date. For UCAS you must have an acceptance letter, but for USTU acceptance letter is not mandatory. Tianjin University TJU, this is for master and PhD students. Okay, and 15th of March 2021 is the last date. So first you fill CSE form, and then you fill university online application form. Then in University of Technology, my favorite university, DUT. So master and PhD, November, the scholarship starts from November 1st 2020 to March 8 2021. First you fill CSE form, and then you fill university online application form. And remember, you must send your documents to this email address. Make a zip file, and you must send your documents in a PDF. Make a PDF file of all these different PDF files of each document, and merge into a zip file. Okay, archive into a zip file, and you must put your type your subject DUT application number plus passport number, like this. Okay, but in DUT acceptance letter is mandatory. If you don't have any acceptance letter, then left it. Okay, leave this university. So Chongchu University Presidential Scholarship, this is for PhD students, so it's equal to 3,500 RMB. No online application, no fee, no need to send hard copies. First just fill university online application form. Okay, if you want to apply another 3 CSE scholarship universities, then you can. This is your 4th chance, so means you can get one more chance. Zhejiang University Chichen Tashwe, March 10th 2021 is the last date. But for CSE scholarship, this university don't have any application fee, but for university scholarship you must have to pay, I think, 600 to 800 RMB application fee. So first you fill CSE online application form, then you need to fill university online application form. Okay, and the next one is Beijing Institute of Technology, BIT. These are the 4 programs. So 15th of April 2021 is the last date. So apply as soon as possible. Many students got a response from this university, and university says you need to pay application fee, 600 RMB application fee. And when the university asks for application fee, it means your admission is almost confirmed. 99% your admission is confirmed. So first you fill CSE online application form, and then you need to fill university online application form, and these are the required documents. So that's it. In third round, inshallah, we will discuss about all other those universities who's remaining, and you can get everything from this website: CSE scholarship applying procedure, documents, professor's email for acceptance letter, and channel scholarship procedure, and these kind of things, all these things. Okay, good luck and take care of yourself. We will meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.